Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check in online with Alaska Airlines. First, open your web browser and head to alaskaair.com. If you have an Alaska Airlines account, sign in to see your upcoming flights. If not, no worries. Just click on My Trips and enter your last name and confirmation code to pull up your reservation. Follow the prompts to confirm your passenger information, choose or change your seat if needed, and check any bags. Once you're done, you'll get your boarding pass right away. You can download it to your phone, email it to yourself, or print it at home. And that's it. That's how to check in online with Alaska Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.